Hello students, today in MI we will discuss about the electric resistance strain gauge. In this chapter we discuss about the topic. First we discuss about the definition, history, working, its characteristics, type, advantage, disadvantage and application. A strain gauge is, first we define the strain gauge. A strain gauge is an example of passive transducer that converts a mechanical displacement into a change of resistance. Again, I repeat, a strain gauge is an example of a passive transducer that converts a mechanical displacement into a change of resistance. A strain gauge is a thin wafer-like device that can be attached to a very variety of material to measure applied strain. Here also a resistance which has the multiple wires is there. If we go their history, in 1856, Lord Kelvin first recorded on the relationship between the strain and the resistance of wire conductors. Early 1930, Charles Kane made the first notable use of bonded resistance strain gauge to measure variety strains in high performance propeller blades. Again, in 1937, Arthur Rose discovered that small diameter wires made of electric resistance alloy could be bonded to a structure to measure surface strain. Again, in 1952, in this time printed circuit were emerging and the Saunders Roe developed the idea of making a strain gauge by the etching the pattern for the gauge from the thin foil. Structure. Now we discuss about the structure. The majority of strain gauges are foil type, available in a wide choice of shapes and size to suit a variety of application. They consist of a pattern of resistive foil which is mounted on the blacking material. They operate on the principle that as the foil is subjected to stress, the resistance of foil changes in a defined way. Here a thin strain gauge is shown in the figure where it has the end loops, a grid of wires, alignment marks and the end loops and a scoopler tabs. Now we discuss about its working. The strain gauge is connected into a Wheatstone bridge circuit. The change in resistance is proportional to applied strain and is measured with Wheatstone bridge. A Wheatstone bridge is connected to the resistance and the strain. Now we discuss about its working. The sensitivity of strain gauge is described in terms of characteristics called the gauge factor, defined as a unit change in resistance per unit change in length, or it may be defined as K is equal to delta R upon delta L upon L, where L is the change in length and R be the change in resistance. Gauge factor is related to Poisson ratio mu by K is equal to 1 plus 2 mu. Now we discuss about its type. It based on the principle of working, it is three types: mechanical, electrical, and piezoelectric. And based on mounting, bounded strain gauge, unbounded strain gauge. On the base of construction, foil strain gauge, semiconductor strain gauge, and photoelectric strain gauge. Now we discuss about the mechanical strain gauge. It is made of two separate plastic layers. The bottom layers has a ruled scale on it. The top layer has a red arrow or the pointer. On one layer is glued to one side of the crack and one layer to the other. As the crack opens, the layer slides very slowly past one another and the pointer moves over the slide. The red crossings move on the scale as crack wins. Now we discuss about the electrical strain gauge. When electric wire is stretched with the limit of its elasticity such that it does not break or permanently deform, it will be becomes a narrower and a longer chain that increase its electrical resistance end to end. Strain can be inferred by the measuring change in the resistance. Now we discuss about the piezoelectric strain gauge. Piezoelectric generates electric voltage when the strain is applied over it. Strain can be calculated from voltage. Piezoelectric strain gauge are the most sensitive and reliable device. Bounded strain gauge. A bounded strain gauge element consisting of a metallic wire, etched foil, vacuum deposit film or semiconductor bar is cemented to the straight surface. Unbounded surface is unbounded strain gauge consists of a wire stretched between 2 points in an insulating medium such as air. One end of the wire is flexed and the other end is attached to the movable element. Foil strain gauge. The foil strain gauge has metal foil photo etched in a grid pattern on the electric insulator of the thin resin and gauge lead attached. Thank you. Next lecture will be delivered on the next video. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye.